everybody, this is Beth at Quilts and Lace. Had so much fun on Sunday being down there with my mom and Ann and Angela and Rick. That was good to have them there and us peruse the place.
So for people who didn't watch yesterday,
Oh,
where were you
right.
yesterday, Beth?
Oh, very good, very good. You mean some people don't watch?
No, they
Man,
don't.
Oh, darn. I was down at the new store that's going to open hopefully in October down in Sebastian, Florida, right on US 1. And we're going to be calling that store Sweet Time Quilting. So we'll have Quilts and Lace up here in Melbourne and Sweet Time Quilting down there in Sebastian.
Alrighty.
And anyway, I brought everybody in to take a look at the building and find out where outlets were going and light switches were going and fabric and notions.
Good. Okay,
and
so
we
what?
had some cute comments about the vault.
Oh yeah.
So that was good.
Yep. All right. So what are we doing today?
So today I'm on the Luminaire here, and what's wonderful about the larger machines is that they have a nice little icon up here. Do you see my mouse pointing to it, Ann?
Nope.
So that my big finger's
Nope.
not in the way?
No.
The little
Page with a question mark.
Yeah,
or
well, I
whatever.
think it looks like a little video clip, you know,
little
a
video clip with
piece
a
of
question
film.
mark. Mm-hmm.
So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And these are videos that are available for you. So I'm going to go down here to my videos.
Uh-huh.
And I have all kinds of videos that I can look at. Basic operation, which has how to wind a bobbin, thread your machine, put your needle in, press your foot, put up your thread tower. Sewing, I have all kinds of things. Embroidery, my design center, settings. But today we're going to look at one in accessories right here. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on that. And the one that I want to do is this one, Ann. What's this called, Ann?
Oh, it's your beloved knee lift. Beth wants everybody to learn how to use the knee lift.
I do. I want that to become a favorite part for you guys.
Okay.
So the knee lift here, as Ann has been saying, is one of my favorite features. So I have gone ahead and put my knee lift in, but I do want to just show this video real quick. So hopefully it will show well enough. If it's too much of a glare, you let me know.
There is quite a glare on the screen. So let's get it rolling.
Alrighty.
We're going to say...
So these are silent movies, but they're very descriptive. She's very good and does it in slow motion. And so it's even saying that you can rotate it depending on what kind of comfort you want on your knee lift here. Shows how you put it right in the hole that's in the front of your machine.
Uh-huh.
And they're silent movies, by the way, because this machine does go throughout the world. And then look down there.
That's not helping, Beth.
Not helping.
Yeah, I could see your reflection doing that. Okay.
All right. So then, so she's doing it on here, and then I thought I would show you. But what's so she moved her knee to lift her presser foot up, but in a moment it has a great image of the presser foot. So this one's great. So there, the presser foot down, first level, second level, third level, fourth level. So those are all the different levels based on how far I push it.
Okay.
So let me go ahead and close that. I've just got a piece of fabric on here just so that hopefully you can see the presser foot difference.
Okay.
So I'm sitting on my nice koala chair that in order for my knee to reach it, I had to lift it up. So I am going to go ahead and lower my presser foot.
Okay.
All right, so I have it lowered here.
Uh-huh.
Actually, let me get out of here. And home, and okay. Whoops, what I need to do?
We're going to say hi to April, to Donna, Jack, to Marilyn Schmidt, to, I don't know who else is on because it went by me. Sorry, girls.
All right, so my presser foot is down. My knee's over here. My knee lift is away from me.
Oh, Leslie Cadlet's. Hi, Leslie.
Hey, Leslie.
Okay.
All right, so there's my first level, second, third, and fourth. And lower it.
Do it again.
So I love this. Oh, I hit fourth already. I missed the third one.
Okay. Good.
So I love this because if I am starting to sew and I want to make that nice great 1/4 inch there, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got it, I can just lift it just a tiny amount so nothing gets dislodged, and use my hands to move it.
Okay.
So I just love that feature about this machine.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Good.
So that's an e-lift. Then we're going to just take a quick look over here, Anne.
Okay, and we're not going to answer the phone, so if any of you are trying to call us, I'm sorry. You're just going to have to bear with us.
Oh gosh, has it already been several weeks ago?
Yes, it has been, Beth.
Well, I got to work on it yesterday just a little bit, so that was
Good.
fun. This is the Calypso 2 quilt that we're still waiting for the fabric to come in. But I just wanted to show you guys that I've started to cut everything. So one is this one here, the panel, which is what we showed last time.
Right.
So I do have him precisely trimmed to the dimensions that they wanted.
Okay.
And this was that technique that I was using my ruler and just measuring away from that border and how much needed to go outside of the border to get my 32.5 by 40.5. Okay? So as it turns out, for my 32-inch side, I need to add 1.5 inches to each side. And then for my 40-inch one, I need to add 1 3/4 inch on each side. So if when this comes in and people start making it, I'll make sure to keep that notation so you guys know how to precisely cut it to get the dimension that they want for that center panel.
Alrighty.
Okay?
Okay.
Now, with cutting on this, there's going to be several parts and pieces, and I do like to cut everything before I start sewing. So in just following the directions in there, I am using these beautiful tiles that April Sweat made me.
Oh, April's on. That's right. Hi, April.
Hey, April. So this is April. Just so glad I have them because I am now going to, I've started to cut everything, and so that, you know, this one looks a heck of a lot like that one. So it's great to have the tiles sitting on there. So that's a great use for that. For those of you that don't have your own April, personal April stitching for you, we've got a good substitute.
Yay.
Not the terrific substitute, but a good one. And these are the Alphabetties by Riley Blake. So we have them in 3 colors. We got gray, blue, and pink. And each of them have the letters and the numbers. And you can put these little tiles, just like I did this, labeling your pieces so that when you start cutting and putting everything together, they'll be nicely labeled for you.
Okay. Good.
Okay?
All right.
All right, so we'll continue to work on that.
All right.
We got new stuff in.
Okay.
I love this. I have been so excited to get this in. They're owls, Anne.
How cute are they?
Aren't they sweet?
Adorable.
So this is by Moda, Through the Woods, Sweetfire Road. And of course, when Moda does their kitting, they do a great job. So I opened it, of course, upside down here.
But the
you
cover
get-
doesn't do it justice.
It doesn't.
With all
So
the-
you get all the fabrics.
Yeah. And the pattern.
And the pattern.
Oh.
I'll see you. Cute. Nicely labeled the fabrics because I guess the pattern has been out maybe in a different family.
Yeah.
So everything nicely labeled, nicely boxed so that you can keep all your parts and pieces
Good. Good.
contained. So I love that.
Okay.
Super cute.
All right.
And then this is Timeless Treasures. And this is just, I think, I don't think it was a series, was it? I think they're just individual things that we were bringing in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Sand Dunes, which
Very
is always
nice.
great when you want to do a beachy theme. And, ooh, sharks, shark, shark, shark. What was that song? Shark, shark.
Mac the knife.
Yeah.
I'm not going to sing it.
Anyway,
Okay.
so that is, I think, great. Can't you see a little pair of shorts in that or something?
Oh, that would be funny. Yeah. Yep.
Cute. Oh, and then turtles are always good.
We do love our turtles.
Turtles are always good.
Love that.
So nice blues.
Yeah. Very nice.
Nice scenic one.
Yep.
And then we don't get to see manatees very often.
I know, and
so this is perfect.
that is. I love that. Very, very sweet. Okay. All right, what else we got, Beth?
Nice.
Come on, let's keep it rolling. I'm sorry, I've got a moonlighter meeting on Zoom that's going on in the other room without
If
me.
I could film myself, I would.
Okay.
This one I love. So I haven't found what series it went to. I know this is a delayed addition to a series we had, but this is the Paintbrush Studios.
Uh-huh. Very nice.
Bikes
Love it.
and corks. This one I think we've had before.
We might have had it before. Somebody thought it looked familiar.
Yeah, I think we have had that one
Yep.
before.
Very, very cute.
Alrighty.
Okay.
That's what I got, Ann.
Okay, that sounds
we
good,
got.
Beth. All right, we're going to say
All
hi
right.
to Antoinette and Joyce. I think they're coming in on Wednesday.
Oh, that'll be good to see you. Joyce, haven't seen you in a while. And
Yeah.
good to see you too, Antoinette.
Yeah, all righty. So we don't have too much else in the hopper right now. It's just been a busy day, and we got lots to do still. So we're going to sign off for tonight.
Thank you so much, guys.
We'll be back tomorrow at
Yep.
5:30-ish.
Please stay safe.
Yep. Bye-bye now.
Bye, guys.